Welcome to Squiz Kids Science Shorts, the show where we take your big curly questions and unpack the science stories everyone's talking about. Break them down into snack-sized, science-powered answers. We sort the fact from the fluff, keep it fun, keep it fast, and whether it's happening in your body, your backyard, or the big wide universe, we're here to explain the science behind the headlines. Have you ever picked up a device to check just one thing, only to find yourself watching a raccoon wash grapes 20 minutes later? You've completely forgotten what you picked up that device for, and you now know far too much about a raccoon's diet. Today's Squiz Kids Science Short asks, does endless scrolling really rot your brain? First up, the good news. Your brain is not literally rotting, melting or turning into mashed potato, but scientists are investigating whether spending hours scrolling through rapidly changing short videos could be linked to changes in something called our working memory. Working memory is like a small whiteboard inside your head. It temporarily holds information while you're using it. Say you need to follow instructions, calculate a maths problem in your head, or remember why you picked up that device before that raccoon appeared. But short video scrolling asks your brain to jump rapidly between completely unrelated things. Dog to dance to donut to disaster and maybe a prank. Each time, your brain needs to wipe its little blackboard clean and start again. To investigate, researchers in China studied 82 male university students who were already considered heavy watchers of short videos. Some of them watched 2 hours a day, some around 4, and the heaviest scrollers averaged more than 6 hours every day. The participants completed a memory challenge involving a stream of numbers. They had to work out whether each number matched the one that was shown 2 places earlier. So 3, 7, 3, match. And while they did this, they wore equipment that allowed researchers to see which parts of the front of their brain were working on the problem. Generally, the students who spent less time scrolling responded faster and performed better than the heaviest scrollers. But there was another interesting finding. Students who exercised for at least an hour 3 or more times a week generally performed more accurately than those who exercised less. That suggests that regular movement might support some of the brain skills involved in working memory. But, and this is a big scientific but, we can't conclude that scrolling caused the poorer results or that exercise magically fixed them. 82 people is not a very large sample group, and they were all male university students in China, and they were all already heavy scrollers. So there were no children, women, or people who rarely watch short videos. Other things that affect memory, like getting enough sleep, stress, ADHD, gaming, and just general phone use, weren't completely accounted for either. So scientists need to test many more people before they can be sure what's going on. For now, we can say that heavier scrolling was linked with poorer working memory performance, while regular exercise was linked with better performance in this group. So a jump on a trampoline can't magically cancel out 6 hours of scrolling, but if your thumb has been exercising for long enough, perhaps it's time to put down that device and let the rest of your body have a turn. Had fun? Follow the show, drop us a 5-star review and tell us what you want to know next. Leave your questions in the comments or email me at squizkids@thesquiz.com.au and you might just hear your answer right here on next week's Squiz Kids Science Shorts.